Ever feel like you're drowning in essay ideas, but don't know where to start, or hoping the essay would magically write itself? Well, grab your coffee because MyEssayWriter.ai is here to make that dream almost come true. With the Essay Outliner, it's your secret weapon to go from "I don't know where to start" to "I've got a plan" in minutes. It is the best AI tool for students. It's like having a virtual assistant that does all the heavy lifting to create a perfect essay structure. No more staring at a blank page wondering, where do I begin? Here's how it works. You'll just have to fill in the information, like your essay topic, main argument, and how long it needs to be. The tool then builds an entire outline for you. That's right, no extra brain power needed. It's perfect for every student, whether you're tackling a high school paper or a college thesis. The best part? You can tweak and customize the outline however you like, or let the AI give suggestions. It's flexible, smart, and super easy to use. Once your outline is ready, you've got the roadmap to write your essay. Whether for class, an exam, or even a last-minute project, this tool has your back. Here's the cool part. You're not left hanging after the outline. You have two supercharged options. Turn that outline into a high-quality essay with our AI essay writer. Or, if you need to focus your argument, craft a razor-sharp thesis statement in seconds with our thesis statement generator. It's like having a mini professor in your pocket. Ready to take your essay writing to the next level? Try the Essay Outliner at MyEssayWriter.ai. It's like the GPS for your writing journey. Use the Essay Outliner today and stop stressing about essays. Let us outline your success. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications for more tips that make writing feel effortless. Your future A+ self will thank you.